Alright, ladies, gentlemen, and kiddies, thanks to Zach Locero's Moto Tiangge here in Pasig at the Metro Tent in Suzuki Motor Philippines. And today I will be taste testing or bike testing the Suzuki Raider R150 Carb edition. So let's get it on. Wow, this one is tiny. I'm so excited to bike test this bike because this is what they call the underboat king in the Philippines. And let's get it on. Alrighty. So this is a traditional motorcycle. While we're waiting, ergonomics check. I'm 6'3", 200 to 220 pounds with a 35-inch overall inseam with a size 13 foot. And I'm, completely flat-footed. Alright, let's go. Let's test it out on this hyper underbone, they call it. Ooh, very nippy. I feel more at home in this bike compared to the Gixxer 150. All right, last lap. And this is on second gear too. I love the throttling on this carb version. I still have to test the fuel injected version. I have to go one more round. I'm not satisfied yet. Let me just ask someone if I can do another round. 3 laps isn't enough. So I'm used to the bike now, and I feel more at home in this bike compared to the Gixxer 150. Alrighty, let's go. Very nippy. I like the way this bike handles. Three laps. It's very nippy and I'm comfortable inside. The throttling is perfect. No wonder this is a hyperbone. They call it the Kamote King or Underbone King or the Potato King. Gotta go one more time. Alright, another red. I'm not very comfortable on that Gixxer 150. I feel more at home in this bike. Last round. 3 laps, 3 rounds. Total of 9 laps. Okay, go. Very nice. It's like it reminds me of the Z125 Pro. Very nice. I like this bike already. Fully satisfied. Alrighty, turn it off. I'm very impressed on this bike. The crap. Need a taste test. Or even a full test on this bike. Doesn't matter. So I'm very impressed. Next is the full fuel injected version. Let's see how it goes. See you guys later. Peace out.